Focus of this video is rotation about a point in geometry and the angle of rotation in both directions, that is clockwise and counterclockwise. When the terminal ray of an angle rotates in the same direction as the clock's hands rotate, the angle of rotation is called clockwise rotation, and when it rotates against the direction of the clock's hands, it is counterclockwise rotation. Angles measured in the counterclockwise rotations are positive angles and otherwise they are negative angles. So in this video we are going to use couple examples in order to support our discussion. So first we are going to say what is clockwise and counterclockwise rotation. When right now the terminal ray and the initial ray, the two rays forming the angle, they are overlapping. So now I'm going to move the terminal ray, like you can see the red segment is moving, and it has created an angle which is 24 degree now showing. If I keep moving, it is moving against the rotation of the clock. So the terminal ray is going against the clock's hand motion, so it is counterclockwise. But when it is moving in the counterclockwise direction, we measured the angle, it is going to be a positive angle. You can see it is positive 60 degree. If we keep moving in the same direction, it is going to be positive angle and it is going against the clock. So it is counterclockwise and the angle measured, they are positive angles. Contrary to this, when we move in the same direction as the clock hand, which you can see, the terminal ray is moving in the same direction as the hands of the clock moves. In this direction, the angle measure, you can see it here, it is negative measured. So what happens, the angle is measured is negative, and we can see it here, so it is negative. Then if we continue moving in the same direction, you will see the angle measure is negative and the terminal ray is moving in the same direction as the clock's hands move. So it is clockwise. When the angle is in clockwise direction, the angle measured from the initial ray is measured as negative 162 degrees. While it is in the moved in the clockwise direction, we can still find how much will be the angle measured as the counterclockwise. So how we are going to find it? Let us make a move. Let us move to 60 degree. Now this angle is 60 degree. It moves in the counterclockwise, so it is positive. Now I would like to know how much is going to be the angle if measured from in the negative direction. So I am trying to find the angle when it is measured in this direction. Starting from here, how much is this going to be? So if I have to find this angle, what we have to do, the positive angle is 60 degree, and if I subtract 360, and the answer we get as negative 300 degrees. So if I measure from this in the clockwise direction, it will give me negative 300, while it is in the positive direction it is 60 degree. So let us see how much is that going to be. So I'm going to measure in the opposite direction, or the direction the clock moves, it is 300. So if I continue moving, you can see as the positive angle is increasing, negative angle is decreasing. So but the sum of the two is always going to be 360 degrees. So the positive angle and the negative angle. So we can try and see it one more time. Let us rotate 270 degree positive. So it will move. You see that it moves counterclockwise. Angle measure is 270. We want to find out how much is this angle is going to be in the negative direction. Obviously it is going to be 360 degree minus 270, so that will give me negative 90 degrees. If we reset and let us do it, what happens if it is 30 degrees? So it moves in the positive direction, it is 30 degree. What happens if I am trying to find the clockwise measurement, which will be a negative angle? So that will be 330 degree to make it 360. If we try to make negative 270 degrees, see that it moves in the clockwise direction. Angle measure is negative 270, but if I want to find what is the positive angle, obviously it is going to be 90 degrees. So this is simple rotation, and the positive measured and the negative measured when it is positive measured, and when angle is measured as negative, what is clockwise and what is the angle counterclockwise. I hope the demonstration about the angle, rotation of angle, clockwise and counterclockwise was easy for you to understand.